Hey, it's Evenstad with BootstrapBizGrowth.com, and lately we've been talking a lot about video testimonials and how impactful they can be for your business. So in this video, I want to talk about how you use these video testimonials that you've been collecting from your past clients and customers. How do you use these testimonials to actually increase sales? Well, the secret here is you want to share these things everywhere. You want to put them on your website. You want to put them on your sales page. You want to put them everywhere. You want to brag about yourself. Now is not the time to be humble. You want to promote your business. You want to show everybody else what your past clients and customers really think about you. And that means posting these videos everywhere you can think of. So I'm going to pull up my screen here, show you an example. Here is a website client of mine. They are an auto repair shop. So obviously this is a type of business that has a lot of trust issues. People generally don't trust auto repair companies because they think they're ripping them off. So video testimonials are huge for them. They have video testimonials right on their homepage from past clients where they're interviewing them. And then down here they have their reviews. Obviously, these video testimonials are way more impactful though, because you get to see this actual person that's talking about their experience. You know that it's real. Whereas these could easily be fake reviews. There are fake reviews everywhere on the internet, but it's pretty darn hard to fake something like this where there's actually a person talking about your business and the benefits that they received. So that is spot number one where you want to put your video testimonials, is all over your website. And I don't mean putting 20, 30 different testimonial videos up there. Put just 2 or 3. Put the most important ones, the most impactful videos on there. The second place is on any sales pages. So if you have a sales page where somebody goes to actually buy, or a checkout page, throw a couple of testimonial videos on there so that they don't get cold feet when they're about to check out. This can be a really great way to make sure that your conversion rate is really high on your sales page. I also like to put these testimonial videos all over my social media. Anytime I get a new testimonial video, I'm going to post it on my Facebook page, on my Twitter, on my Instagram, Pinterest, everywhere I can think of, YouTube. Anywhere that I can put that video on my social channels, I'm going to do that because I want to promote it out to people and let them see it and let everybody know how big of an impact I'm having on my clients and customers so that they are enticed to come and buy from me as well. The last place that I really like is Facebook ads. I will turn these 30 to 60 second videos into a Facebook ad or an Instagram ad where my customer is talking about their experience with me, and I just promote this out to other people that might be interested in my target market. So if they see a video of a customer talking about their experience, they're going to be more likely to buy from me because it's not just me bragging about my business at that point. It's other people bragging about me. So that is just obviously more impactful because we can all talk about how great we are, but we're really not going to believe it until somebody else comes along and says, yeah, they're right. That is a really great service. Okay. So that's what I really like to do. I like to promote my video testimonials on with these paid ads. It's really cheap. It's really engaging. And then just link it to some sort of landing page or sales page where you present more information, that next step these people can take to get involved and have that same benefit that the person in your video had. Another quick little tip that I'll give you is, if you get more advanced with your Facebook ads, you can put what's called a pixel code on your checkout page. So if somebody gets to your checkout page or your sales page and they don't actually buy from you, Facebook will know who they are, and you can send ads to them that are these video testimonials. So anybody that comes to that checkout page that doesn't end up buying, you can have an ad that's directed right towards them, and you can just hit them with these video testimonials because now you know that they're interested. They have that problem that you can fix. They're kind of interested in this product, but they got cold feet at the last second. And so these little video testimonials can sometimes be that last straw that just pushes them over the edge and gets them to buy and become that customer or that client for you. So obviously, this is a little bit more advanced. You're going to need to know about Facebook pixels. You're going to need to know how to set this up. But there's lots of resources online. Go to YouTube and learn how to do this. Learn how to set up that Facebook pixel, or talk to your marketing person and have them do it. But this is another really great technique. In short, promote your video testimonials everywhere. It's going to have a huge impact on your business. And I hope you found some value from this. I hope it encourages you to go out and create more video testimonials or get your clients to give you more video testimonials. If you don't know how to do this, I have a couple links down below with videos on how you can get started with collecting these video testimonials. And so go get started with that, promote the heck out of these things, and you're really going to see an impact on your business. You're going to get more sales, and I think it's going to have some huge benefits for you. If you found any value in this video, please do me a favor, scroll down, give me a thumbs up, share this with anybody else that might also find value in this video. And I would love it if you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we talk about how to grow your business on a budget. We cover affordable marketing tactics that actually work. We talk about how to be a more productive entrepreneur. We talk about tools, tips, and tech that are really cheap or free that are going to help make your life easier. So please subscribe to our channel to get all of those videos. And lastly, I just want to thank you for coming by and watching this video, and we'll see you next time.